Alright, dude. This Shawn. We're working on the ramp still. Dogs love it. They love it. What do you say, Toop? What do you say, Cooper? What? Oh, you like it? Do you like it? Oh, it's excellent, isn't it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Mr. Terrier likes it. Anyway, we drilled holes in the deck all the way down for water drainage. And we're going to throw some outdoor paint on it there. This is cedar decking or fencing. It's going to work great. Alright. What do you think, Cooper? Oh yeah, it's great, isn't it? But yeah, those drain holes will help get some of the water out of it. Alright, YouTube. We'll show you more when we get it. Look out, Toop. Cooper. Okay, move, buddy. But it's definitely sturdy, and it's going to be a good fire escape just if we need it, you know. Well, I don't think we'll need it, but never know. Put pressure treated lumber up on the back side there, and we used a lot of pressure treated on the angles here. It is definitely sturdy, and it's all free out of our free pile over there. Alright, we'll show you when we get her painted up. Definitely. Alright, take care, guys. There will be a part 3. Love y'all. Bye bye.